That's a monstrosity, dude. Wow. Epic. Whoa. Did you see that thing? Hit that alley? Want to try this alley? Nota? Is that the one? Oh, that's the one. That's the... Nah, it's not a biker alley, no. We hit this street. Did you see the size of that house, dude? Dude. How many people are going to live there? 100 homeless? Left. 2 people? Couple months a year? Oh my God. We're gonna keep tabs on that. That may be Green Cloud headquarters one day. Keep it herbal. Yo yo.
Johnny headquarters.
Yeah. Johnny's world. Johnny, he's got big everything. Stoners for Warren here. Remember, the president you want is the president who wants you getting stoned morning, noon, and night legally at the right price. All right, let's go right and then look for an alley. Here we go, here we go. Superba? Or did we take that last time? Let's go next one. Yeah, next one. Learn the grid. Learn the grid. Yeah, right here. This guy knows. Marco. Marco. It's the bear. Keep it herbal. Cruising up here to another Green Cloud art wall on Lincoln Boulevard. Put up some Steve Scales art. Uh-oh, we cruise by here. Hey, what's up? The elf got through. Well played. Let's check one more out. Oh, Amoroso. That's that weird alley. No. Here we go. Oh, the one with the hoop. Lots of learning. Real bumpy. Beautiful flowers. That's what we're talking about. That's nice stuff. Another beast house. Nice.